Yeah, good to see you. Good to see you.
So how things been? You working on that full swing still?
Yeah, I'm kind of getting used to it, getting adjusted to what I need to change. Because we went over those changes, and it's just a little bit different from what I'm used to.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's kind of what you have to do. It's a process to learn.
For sure. I mean, being able to take things onto the range and onto the golf course it's totally different, right? Like on the golf course is where you're pressured. There's a lot more, situational kind of stuff. Tee boxes, picking lines. There's a lot more things to think about, correct? So today, what we're going to work on is we're going to hit the golf course for a little bit, right? So
all right, perfect.
We're going to do a quick little playing lesson. First off, we're going to start off with tee boxes. I want to pick your brain a little bit here, and like when you're on the first tee, right here, obviously there's a lot of pressure, right?
Yeah.
It's the start of your round. The adrenaline's going a little bit more. So what kind of things are you thinking about here to the start of this, this opening hole here?
So for me, I think the main thing I really focus on is just getting the ball out and play, making sure it's in the fairway, hopefully. Sometimes it might trickle in the rough, but as long as I can really hit it again, that's really my main focus off the first tee, because like you said, there's a little bit of nerves. It is your first tee shot, so you're kind of getting used to it. And if it's a new course, kind of getting used to how the fairways run out, what angles I kind of need to take, and just kind of see what I'm getting myself into for the day.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
The course brings.
Yeah, and working with you over the course of the last couple lessons, I know that you like to work the ball from, because you're left, you like to work the ball left to right. You like to play a little draw.
Yeah.
So this hole actually kind of suits that kind of draw ball play. So like,
yeah,
when you're kind of looking, down this fairway, what's kind of like a good starting line that you kind of see yourself taking here?
So stepping behind this ball, I'm kind of looking a little bit more to the left side of the fairway. Like you said, to kind of play that draw, and that's really what I want to do off the first tee, is just get it in play, like I said. So specifically, I'm kind of looking just left of the cactus that's out in the distance.
Yeah.
That gives me enough room to the right, just in case I maybe draw it a little too much. So I feel like that's a good angle to look at and kind of line myself up to, especially when I'm playing that left to right draw.
Yeah, absolutely. That makes perfect sense too. And your miss is kind of honestly the dreaded straight ball. So aiming at that cactus too, you're probably gonna miss that bunker and you'll be in good shape. So
yeah,
cool.
Exactly.
All right, well, let's hit the golf course, and we'll kind of work our way all the way through this couple holes here, and
yeah, I'm sure we'll encounter some different shots while we're out there. Maybe so being able to adapt to what we get off the tee.
for sure.
Yeah, I look forward to it.
Awesome. All right, let's get started.
All right, I love it.
Cool.